Oh, so windy, so windy. Let's see this time. 7-Eleven. Substitute tag to customer. I earned myself 115 bucks. Almost 2 a.m. Thank you. Thank you. Really? Yeah, thank you. Hello, excuse me. Would you check my number here?
When do you finish?
4 a.m.
4 a.m.
Thank you. Is this order? Thank you.
Take care.
Probably customer address. 5106, yeah.
Yep, there you go.
Thank you. No problem. Thanks. It's a bit windy today. And a bit of rain as well. Hopefully not that much. Later on. What's up guys? It's Chameleon Hustle. Back to another video. And guess what? Today we're back to the walk mode again. Yesterday I just did only walking on the walk mode. I earned myself 115 bucks. Oh, so windy, so windy. So windy. Really? Yeah, thank you.
I have 300.
Oh, damn. 28. It did not take? Okay. Good. Customer changed the address, and I'm just letting the customer know that they could change the address, and it says it wouldn't let him. So right now I have to call customer service. Probably customer address. Well, I'm gonna do this one first, because it's next to the hospital, so I'll have to walk a little bit. The distance is much faster to go to the store, and from the store to the customer is nearby, so maybe I might walk a little bit. Thank you. You too. Not bad. I can't manage this. I can do it. No problem. Thank you. UberEats for Jessica, C54. Thank you. Let's see. Thank you. 15106, yeah. So, thank you. Let's see this one. 7-Eleven. No, I got a ticket. Just have to talk to customer. I need to come inside. Hello, I'm here already. Oh, okay, I see you. All right, cool. Hello, how's it going? There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
This is the first time I had an exam that was like 6 to 9.
Well, this time we're heading to 7-Eleven.
Or 25.
Hello, excuse me. Would you check my number here?
You're a mag, right? Yes. This is blue. And what's your name? Load of the
Two, okay.
also this one, okay?
And that one too?
Yeah.
Yeah. We begin. This one. Let's go. Let's go get it. Meat's fresh. Hello. Is this hotel? Thank you. Hi, Emily. Hello. Number F997E. Thank you. Thank you. Alright guys, we just made a quick 73 with UberEats right now, and then 16 with Doordash, but only 73 I did it with work mode. Right now I'm just gonna go home and eat and then come back later, and plus I need to charge my phone. It is 23%, and by then the scooter will be ready 100%. Alright guys, see you guys in 2 hours. Alright guys, back to another shift. Started at 1:41. Hello.
What number?
Patrick, 8B5 CA. That's right. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, Patrick? It is.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can leave it with me.
Okay.
Yeah, just come with me. I'll show you.
No problem. Thank you. Which one?
The residents usually they
Oh,
come
here?
down and they
Oh,
pick
okay,
them up.
okay. All right, cool. Thank you.
Actually, just wait right there. One
Yeah.
second.
No problem.
Okay, so. Alright, thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you.
No worries.
Appreciate it, man.
No problem. How's the shift? Busy?
I just started for this night shift.
Okay, so if you're gonna start now, it's like what, 2? When do you finish?
Before 4 a.m.
4 a.m.?
Yeah, yeah.
Makes sense. That's when the McDonald's switches the menu.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
All right. Take care.
You too, man. Have a good day.
You too. It's gonna head to Blue East. Oh no, Blue West. We should get some orders there. I started late today, almost 2 a.m.